Bitcoin trades above $36,000, Ether dips below $2,000. Global standard setter for securities regulation publishes crypto market policy recommendations. CoinShares secures option to buy Valkyrie's ETF unit. BlackRock Ether ETF prospectus gets filed with SEC. Singapore Central Bank to trial live wholesale CBDC for settlements. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Leading virtual digital assets have succumbed to liquidation pressure in the last 24 hours and have lost entire gains of previous two sessions as the US financial markets regulator, the SEC, delaying its decision on spot Bitcoin ETF applications leaves market with little or no catalyst. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, slumped 3.7% to 46,013. Stock futures oscillated near the flat line Friday as investors looked to keep this month's gains going. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average ticked higher by 21 points or 0.06%. S&P 500 futures advanced 0.06% while Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.09%. Bitcoin bouncing to retest 18-month highs earlier in the week seems to have activated sell orders of leveraged trades. According to the CoinGlass data, derivatives traders have liquidated leveraged position worth $340 million over the period. The global crypto market cap is $1.38 trillion, a 3.2% decrease over the last day. Meanwhile, experts are watching the SEC decision on spot BTC ETF approval. They see rising odds in favor of regulator unlikely to approve any such vehicles this year. There still could be news this week as Franklin Templeton has a decision deadline of Friday. Few though are expecting anything except another delay from the SEC. BTC was trading at $36,278, down 3% in the last 24 hours. Its market capitalization has declined to under $710 billion, while its dominance over the alt stands still at 51%. Ether was trading at $1,964, down 4% in the similar time frame. The second largest crypto suffered losses even as BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, filed S1 form with the SEC for its iShares Ethereum Trust, a spot Ether exchange-traded fund. The development seems a sell the news moment. Ether's price has declined by roughly $100 since then. Binance BNB was trading at $244, down 3%. Cardano's ADA token slumped 8% to $0.37. Ripple's XRP token was down 5% at $0.61. Solana SOL lost 12% at $57.4. Shiba Inu eased 1.9%. Polkadot plummeted 6.6% to trade at $5.32. Doge has shot up by 6.7% to trade at above $0.085. The popular meme coin has defied the market sentiment with a massive 10% daily pump earlier today.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The International Organization of Securities Commission published its long-awaited recommendations for regulating crypto on Friday. IOSCO, the global standard setter for securities markets regulation, began consulting on rules for the crypto sector in May, covering issues such as market abuse, conflict of interest, client asset protection, disclosures, and risks associated with crypto. The recommendations are meant to help establish a global regulatory response to the risks posed by crypto asset service providers, a press release accompanying the news said. Crypto asset manager CoinShares said it secured an exclusive option to buy the exchange-traded fund unit of Valkyrie Investments, gaining a US foothold amid speculation the SEC will soon approve a spot Bitcoin ETF. The St. Helier, Jersey-based company, whose shares trade on Nasdaq Stockholm, said the option expires March 31st. CoinShares did not disclose how much it paid for the option or details of pricing for the acquisition should it decide to go ahead. Spot crypto exchange-traded products are already available in Europe. That's not yet the case in the US, though speculation has swirled recently that one is coming which could open up Bitcoin investing to a broad range of people. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has filed an S-1 form with the US SEC for its iShares Ethereum Trust, a spot Ether exchange-traded fund. This move follows last week's corporate registration of that name and Nasdaq's filing of a 19B4 with the SEC seeking approval for spot ETF. The price of Ether briefly jumped nearly 2% to $2,080 on the S1 filing, but has since returned to roughly its price prior to the news. Along with several other asset managers, BlackRock currently is awaiting word from the SEC on listing a spot Bitcoin ETF that could open up average investor access to the crypto dramatically. A pilot program for a live Singapore dollar-based central bank digital currency was unveiled by Singapore's central bank, which aims to have the CBDC used by local banks for settlements. I am pleased to announce that MAS will pilot the live issuance of wholesale CBDCs to instantaneously settle payments across commercial banks, MAS Managing Director Ravi Menon said on November 16 at the Singapore FinTech Festival. The MAS had previously only simulated the issuance of a CBDC in test environments. Menon said that the central bank would soon partner with Singaporean banks to test using a CBDC as a settlement asset for domestic payments. As part of the test program, Menon explained that banks will issue tokenized liabilities that represent claims on their balance sheets. Retail customers could use those tokenized liabilities to transact with merchants, which would be settled via an automatic transfer of a wholesale CBDC. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano's native cryptocurrency ADA has surpassed the $0.40 mark for the first time since April 2023, with a 10% price increase in the past 24 hours and a 60% surge on the 30-day basis. This uptrend has benefited investors, with 38% of ADA holders sitting on paper profits on November 11th, slipping to 34% 2 days later. Multiple experts suggest that ADA's valuation could increase further in the coming months, with analysts suggesting ADA could climb to around $10 next summer. They also expect ADA to explode near $30. FIDE Trading predicting ADA's valuation to surge nearly 10,000% and reach $35 in the next 2 years. Assuming the bull market top is in 2025 and ADA follows this pattern, it is expected that ADA will top about $35. ADA was today trading at $0.36, down 7%. Next on the list, we have PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap Finance, a multi-chain Web3 ecosystem, has launched its PancakeSwap gaming marketplace for developers and gamers. It provides a platform for gamified developers to build projects and engage with a vibrant community. Further, the Web3 gaming enthusiasts can accumulate more Cake tokens and NFTs. Cake's price has risen by 32% in the past 2 days, reaching $2.68 during the early Asian session. The launch of this marketplace is a strategic move to onboard more users to the Web3 space and educate novice crypto investors on blockchain technology. The platform initially has 2 projects, Pancake Protectors, which has attracted over 25,000 Web3 play daily, and Pancake Mayor by Binary X, which aims to introduce high-quality games to Web3 and Metaverse industry. The PancakeSwap gaming marketplace offers Web3 gaming developers a chance to scale their ideas to a community of over 1.5 million users. Cake was trading at $2.51, down near 5% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Avalanche. JP Morgan's Onyx blockchain arm has partnered with industry startups to develop a proof of concept for tokenization in financial asset management. The tests were conducted under the Monetary Authority of Singapore's Project Guardian, aimed at enabling fund managers to tokenize their portfolios on chosen blockchains. Wealth managers could also purchase and rebalance their positions across these interoperable blockchain networks. The blockchain stacks chosen for the proof of concept include Providence Blockchain, JP Morgan's Onyx Digital Assets, and Avalanche. Cross-chain communication protocol Elixir and issuance/trading platform OSS Pro also contributed to the initiative. The transactions were done in a permissioned manner, meaning access was limited to a select few participants on private blockchain networks. The transactions won't appear on a public chain explorer such as Accelerscan, MintScan, or Snowscan. Acceler created a permission instance for connecting different chains by modifying its existing cross-chain configuration to align with privacy and access management requirements. JP Morgan has been actively exploring possibilities in the blockchain technology space, processing tokenized foreign exchange trades on Polygon's mainnet last year via a modified version of the permissioned DeFi platform Aave Arc. The bank has also been exploring on-chain digital wallets, allowing users to store and control digital identity on its platform. Avalanche was trading at $22, down 6% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Solana. Jupiter, the largest decentralized exchange aggregator on Solana by swap volume, has launched a retrospective token airdrop program to reward early users. The community-focused initiative will distribute 40% of Jupiter's total 10 billion tokens to users across 4 phases. The first phase will release 1 billion Jupiter tokens to users who have done a minimum of $1,000 in swap volume on the protocol. The eligibility list includes 955,000 wallets from a snapshot taken on November 2nd. The airdrop features various tiers of rewards based on user swap volume. Future airdrop rounds will reward new users. The official airdrop allocation website will go live next week. Jupiter consolidates liquidity from multiple DEXs on Solana, ensuring users find the most favorable rates for their token swaps. Solana was trading at $58, down 10% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Arkham Technology. Binance Labs has invested in Arkham, a blockchain intelligence company that uses ultra technology to convert raw blockchain transaction data into a comprehensive overview of cryptocurrency users. Following the Binance investment decision, Arkham's native token ARKM has moved above the $0.50 resistance area. The company aims to improve transparency in the crypto industry by de-anonymizing blockchain transactions and introduces the Arkham Intel Exchange, the world's first on-chain intelligence exchange. The Intel to Earn initiative incentivizes intelligence production through bounties and auctions, with trades and rewards facilitated by the ARKM token. ARKM token was trading at $0.47, down near 9% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3USTV.io or scan the QR code.